How to earn money as a beginner. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to sharing with you 10 different ways by to earn money online. 10 ways of earn 10 ways of earn money online. I am going over each method in detail, including the pros and cons, how much you can potentially earn, and what you need to get started. So let's dive in. Method number one, freelancing. One of the most popular way to earn money online is a freelancing. This involves offering your services to client on per object basis. There are countless freelancing platforms out there such as Fiverr, Upwork, Guru, which can find a wide range of gigs for writing and editing and graphic designing, web development, and many way of earn money. Method number two, online teaching. One of the second is very important, online teaching. If you have expertise in particular subject, you can earn money by teaching online. There are many different platforms that connect teacher with student, such as Udemy. You can also create your own online courses and sell these courses on Teachable or YouTube or any in social media platform. Start a e-commerce. If you have a experience to selling a product or drop shipping, selling digital product, or and like on a specific platform like Shopify, Amazon, you can sell any digital product or physical product. You can earn money by affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's product or services and earn a commission for each sale you can make. And next one is the online survey. Online survey. Taking online survey can be a way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. There are many survey platforms such as a Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Next one is blogging. If you have a passion for writing, you can start a blog or monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own product or services. Step number 7, YouTube. If you enjoy creating video, you can start a YouTube channel and earn money through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. Point number 8, social. Next one is social media marketing. Many businessmen are looking for social media manager to help them manage their online presence. If you are social media's expert, you can offer your service to businessmen to earn money online. Step number 9, virtual assistant. If you are a student and no, if virtual assistant provide a variety of administrative, technical, and creative tasks to client remotely. If you have organization skill and variety of skill, you can become a virtual assistant. Method number 10, online tutor. Online tutoring, if you are a student and have a degree in particular subject, you can earn money by tutoring student online. There are many platforms that connect tutor with students such as tutor me and Scholarly.